Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Today I can show you how you can earn money on TikTok. There are several ways to earn money on TikTok by TikTok. There's a one way, join the TikTok Creator Fund. Number one, you can also earn money by join TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok pays eligible creators for views through the TikTok Creator Fund. You have at least 10,000 followers and have at least 1 lakhs video views in past 30 days to be illegal for creator fund. Okay, and must you follow TikTok community guidelines. Then you apply and TikTok creator fund. If you eligible, then you can earn money by your TikTok views through your video. And number two, you can earn money by TikTok live gifts and diamonds. TikTok users can send virtual gifts during live streams, which can be converted into real money. How to earn from live gifts? Go live by tapping the plus button and set it live. And once you collect at least $100, you can withdraw your via PayPal in your live stream. Best tips. And number three, brand partnership and sponsorship, influencer marketing. Okay, brands pay TikTok influencers to promote their products. How to get brand details? Grow your audience at least 10,000 followers is deal. Have a niche, fashion tech, or fitness, comedy, etc. Join the TikTok creator marketplace to connect with brands. Brands may reach out, DM or email. Keep your mail in your bio. You can see your earnings. Small creator earnings 10 to 50k followers in 500 per post almost. Medium creators and large creators have large amount of money. So number four, affiliate marketing earned by selling other people's products. You can also earn by affiliate marketing. You promote products, earn commissions on sale. How to start? Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBink Bank, Share a Sale, Shopify affiliate program. Add your affiliate link in your bio in Linktree or other website. Create engaging videos showcasing or reviewing the product. When people buy using your link, you earn a commission. Example, if you promote a product cost $100 and the commission is 10%, you make 10% per sale. Okay. Number five, sell your own products. Merch, digital products, courses. If you have a strong personal brand, you can sell merchandise, t-shirt, hoodies, stickers, digital products, ebooks, templates, etc., courses or coaching sessions. How to sell? Use TikTok Shop if available in your country. Link your Shopify or its sister in your bio. Create engaging videos showcasing your products. Number six, TikTok Shop direct selling on TikTok. TikTok allows creators to sell products directly through TikTok Shop. Yes. How to use TikTok Shop? Sign up for TikTok Shop Seller Center. List your products, create video promoting them. Viewers can buy directly through your TikTok videos. That's a simple ways to earn on TikTok. You always remember this. How can you earn? Number seven, YouTube and Instagram cross promotion. Use TikTok to drive traffic to YouTube and Instagram. Number eight, crowdfunding and memberships. Patreon, Coffee, Buy Me a Coffee. Loyal fans may support you through Patreon, Coffee, Buy Me a Coffee, exclusive content subscription on TikTok. Number nine, freelancing and services. If you have skill like video editing, graphic design, social media management, consulting, you can use TikTok to make market your service and attract clients. Number 10, most attractive and most demanding is dropshipping. Sell without holding inventory. You can sell trending products without needing inventory. How it works: set up a Shopify store, find trending products, use TikTok to promote the products, and once someone buys, you supply ships product directly and you earn money. And it's that simple. Use user generated